Hi, it's Dee with DSP Photography, and I'm going to show you really quick how to use the overlays, and I'm going to use the bokeh overlays. All the overlays will have these two actions. One's called place overlay and one's keep the color. So you want to open up your image and click on place overlay, press play. It tells you this is going to allow you to place your overlay. You just need to locate, just hit continue, and then find the file you want to place on here. And we'll just put number 11 on. And then you'll need to resize it. So drag it to the corner, and then drag the corner and resize it. Hit the little check. And it's going to place my bokeh on here. And it actually changes my blend mode to overlay. And you can mess with the blend modes on your overlays. Soft light's a little bit more subtle. Hard light's very bright. So you can just mess around with whatever light, screen. It's a little bit different. The best thing is to mess around with the blend mode over here until you find the one that works for you. Alright, so I like this one, and at 45% I reduced my opacity, and I like it on the skin. It's brightened it up and add a little bit of warmth, but it's got that bokeh on it, so I want to keep the color. And what you do, it's going to tell you, make sure that you want to keep the color from is chosen, which mine is. Hit continue, and then let it do its thing. And it tells you use your layer masks to mask the color where you want it and to mask texture off. Hit continue. So as you can see, the keep the color has got a black mask. That's because you are going to use a white brush and paint it on where you want. And you're gonna just paint right over the skin. And it's gonna look weird right now because I have actually, let's undo that really quick. The reason why you want to keep the color is because if you use your black brush on this white layer mask and brush it off of the skin to get the texture off there, unfortunately it takes away that nice color it was adding. And this is especially true when you're working with a warmer, a warmer overlay or texture. So I've masked it off of her, but now she looks cool, well, cooler. So I'm going to go get my white brush again and brush over her skin and where I just brushed off. And I had my brush at 88, which is actually quite high, but I'll just adjust the entire layer in a minute. So we'll go down just a little bit more. Alright, so that's without it, and that's with keep the color, and now you got that nice warmth, but without the bokeh. And that's straight out of camera, and that's really quickly with two bokeh layers, or, well, one bokeh and then keep the color. And you can play around with the opacities until you get it to where you like it to be. Thank you very much.